You're right guys, the charity auctions are finally going live. Now before I get into all the details about how you can get involved and everything like that, I want to take a minute just to say a massive thank you to Toolstop and DeWALT for making this all possible. Without their help I couldn't have even begun to make the projects that I've made during these last few months. So a huge thank you goes out to them. And thank you to them for letting me choose the Birmingham Children's Hospital as the charity to benefit from the auctions. As some of you may know, I spent a lot of time in there when I was younger, and they've saved my life numerous times. So when I was asked what charity do you want to help, of course it was always going to be the Children's Hospital. So let's get into the details of the auctions. So first up, the auctions themselves. I'm going to put up the pictures of the projects that I've done, scrolling along here just to refresh your memory a bit. But all of these I'm going to be auctioned off over on eBay. The beneficiary of course is the Birmingham Children's Hospital, and 100% of the proceeds will go to the Birmingham Children's Hospital. All the information about the projects is in the eBay description, and of course back in my videos if you do want to go and check those out. All the links to the auctions are in the description down below. They'll be listed for each project so you know which one is which. If you can share them all around, that's great. If you want to pick out a couple to share, that's great too. Anything you can do, it's all a massive help. Now due to the size of the projects, they can only be shipped out to people in the UK. But if you're outside the UK or not able to be, sharing the auctions round is just as much help, believe me. The more people that can see these, the more the Children's Hospital benefits really. So I'm going to go ahead and say thank you in advance to everybody who shares these auction links round. I know there's going to be a ton of you sharing them and I really appreciate it. Hopefully we can get a lot of eyes on these auctions and raise a lot of awareness through them. But wait, there's more. It's not only the projects I've made in the auctions that's going to be helping raising money for the Children's Hospital. We've also teamed up with Bonfire to produce a charity design on a t-shirt, so these can go worldwide. So if you're interested, there's a link to the t-shirt down in the description. There's 5 different styles to choose from, so there's something to suit everybody, and of course all the proceeds go to the Birmingham Children's Hospital too. So thank you to Bonfire for helping us out with that design and getting it all set up and everything like that. It's a really big help, and as always sharing the link to the t-shirt around as well is a massive help. So the more you can share, the better really. Let's try and go to town on this one and raise as much money and awareness for the Children's Hospital as we can. Thank you to everyone for your support through all these charity projects and the auctions going forward as well. I really appreciate it, and I'm sure the Children's Hospital will really appreciate whatever we can raise for them in the process. So that's it then guys. Like I say, all the links are in the description. Go and check them out. Make sure you get clicking, make sure you get sharing. The more you share, the better. So thank you all for watching.